How we going? Welcome to this episode of Fucking About in the Shed with Matt. Today I've got myself an IngCo impact driver. Master Warehouse have given me this to review. Instruction manual. In this bag is a belt clip thing. You've got to put that on yourself. Probably not a thing I would use. 2 batteries. These are 2 amp hour batteries. Your usual charge indicator there, nice and bright. Comes with a charger, standard little desk thingy. No clip or anything on the back to hang it on the wall. Something I like to do. Not too big, doesn't have a big footprint like some. Tool itself, you're not going to lose these. These are quite a bright colour. Weight feels good. It's not too heavy, but it doesn't feel light, if that makes sense. There's a bag of bits and bobs here. A small, that looks like a 6mm bolt nut head driver thing. 8mm version of the same. 10mm version of the same. And a couple, these would appear to be P2 double-ended drivers. Neat little carry bag. This kit, as you see all of the bits I've just went through, you're looking at 4 pineapples, around the $200 mark, delivered. So it's clearly in the DIY basic home use category based on price point. So it got me a hex driver. Goes in the head like any normal impact head does. To adjust high and low, you've got to have it running in the correct direction. So you can see down the bottom low, push the button, high. Now that is the torque and impact level. So the higher is for hard work and the low is for not smashing up soft wood. We're going to use it on high because I've got some Aussie hardwood here and I've got a bucket of big bugles. We're going to see how she goes. 10mm bugle, 100mm, 10cm bugle, set on high, see how she goes. Right, well, it went all the way in. What we've got here is 4 layers of plywood, a bit of pine underneath. So here we go, smacking everything down into that. Right, IngCo, new to the market, online only, pretty decent value I would say, given I've used it for 10 minutes. I do like the controllable torque or the controllable impact. I think that could be a useful thing for just normal screws into softer timber and whatnot to prevent it, pulling all the way in and smashing shit up more than it should. Conclusion time. For 200 bucks, this is pretty good value. It's got some nice features, plenty of power. I think the 20 volt is big advantage over others in the DIY space. Don't think you'd be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. You want to chuck me a like or a subscribe, that's great. If you want to suggest something for me to test or review or break, that would be great. Otherwise, have a great day.